Alright, good morning. This is Dr. Nyedika, still from the bush. I want to give a few health tips today that has been a national problem. I'm talking about ulcer. Well, before I tell you how to treat ulcer, let me sell my market. Talking about my online masterclass, I have two major course videos on the QRMA device and the NLS device. The NLS device is a device that you can, I call it a complete lab. You can use it to scan your entire body, know your full blood count, know your hormonal profile, know your vitamin level, mineral levels, and also to check for pathologies, enlargement, cancers, tumors, malaria, typhoid. This device can accurately diagnose or predict the subhealth condition of your body. And I have a course video on it that I would like you to subscribe to learn how to use this device. Let me quickly say that I have products that I have proven over time that can treat several conditions. I'm talking about NAFDAC approved products, herbal remedies that can cure several ailments. Okay, I have about 10 NAFDAC approved herbal remedies that I've been using over time on my patients, and they've been getting amazing results. I'm not talking about management, I'm talking about cure, right? Okay, so each of these products is 8,000 naira for a bottle. So you need to drink a couple of bottles. Like if you are dealing with high blood pressure, you need to drink about 7 to 10 bottles for bye-bye to high blood pressure. If you are dealing with ulcer, you need to drink like 54 bottles before you say bye-bye to that. If you are dealing with diabetes, you may need to drink maybe about 20 bottles or thereabout, and you say bye-bye to diabetes. We added to lifestyle and diets that you will have to incorporate into your life, and you say bye-bye to these diseases. Trust me, there is a cure for all diseases. If you have God with you, then you can say bye-bye to all diseases. If you're having any of these problems and you want to get rid of them, then I'll recommend these herbal products for you. All right, let's talk about how to treat ulcer. Now, I must say that in this our field of herbal medicine, this is a philosophy that we have always been taught, that the herbs that will cure you is in your neighborhood. If you look very well, you're going to find the herbs that will cure you. You get that? Right. So there are several plants, there are several herbs that you can use to say bye-bye to ulcer. Ulcer is caused by a bacteria we call H. pylori, that's Helicobacter pylori. Okay, so now the stomach walls have what we call the mucosa. It's like a lining that looks like mucus. All right, the surface wall of the stomach has a lining, a layer called the mucosa, and this Helicobacter pylori seems to have what I call tentacles that they use, and they poke into the stomach walls and they cause wound there. And we know that there are gastric juices that are released whenever we eat. There are gastric juices that are released to digest the food that we eat. Okay, and this juice is acidic, and so when they flow to those areas that have holes, they look like wounds. And that's what causes the pain, excruciating pain we experience. Okay, these are internal wounds. Okay, and that is Helicobacter pylori that is responsible for these internal wounds that we experience. Okay, so what happens is that there are herbal plants that you can use to treat that wound and deal with these microbial properties and destroy them, and with time the wound heal. Okay, so this is how it operates. You have to check your diet, what you eat, because when you are trying to treat this ailment, you have to stay away from things that aggravate it. Then once this Helicobacter pylori has been destroyed and time has been given for the wounds to heal, then probably you could go back to your normal lifestyle. All right. So we have plants like cabbage. Although if you have thyroid gland dysfunction, you have to be careful on taking cabbage. Okay. If you are using cabbage to treat, you could blend it as a juice and you drink it. Morning, afternoon, evening. You do this for a couple of weeks and you say bye-bye to ulcer. We have avocado leaves. You turn it into tea and you take it morning, afternoon, evening, and you say bye-bye to ulcer. We also have unripe plantain, unripe banana. Okay, the leaves and the peels, you boil them together and you drink the tea. Morning, afternoon, evening. You do this for a couple of weeks and you will say bye-bye to ulcer. Right, so that's just a little health tips that I'm bringing to you from the bush. You have a nice day.